Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional of the newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, April the 29th, 2022. I've already done two puzzles, Sudoku with 3 stars, and a binary, and it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. But I know there are 10 printed digits. So could be a hard one. Could be a hard one. And this puzzle will be number 4481. Alright. 4481. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. If it's really a 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, there's single box. Always a 1. So let me put the 1 there. Then the following question, dual boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. They also dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Well, we see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Here, also the 1 and the 2, but I cannot fill this yet. So let me mark those 2 boxes, the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. Okay. Triple box then. I see here also a triple box there. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I have no information, so I cannot fill this yet. But when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box. This is the middle box. The box near this box near the middle box. Inside box. The inside box can only be the 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. But we see here already a 4. So can it be 4 anymore? Should be a 5 then. Same for this triple box. The box near the middle box. This box can only be 4 or 5. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. The 1 could be everywhere, and the 3 could be everywhere. Okay. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? Let me scan. No quadra boxes. Alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the... Oh! Overlook this quadra box. We have a quadra box here. In an L shape. The quadra... 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4 boxes. Quadra box. When you see a quadra box... in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay. Overlook this one. Yeah, overlooked. Anyway, let me continue. Recognizing some shapes about the Z construction. Z. Z or the S. This is mirrored. If you mirror this S, you get the Z. Yes. When you see the S, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Same for the S construction. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 here. So it should be a 2. Yeah. So this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. So now, one box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. Then that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so in this case it's a 1. Okay. The S or the Z construction. Then the following structure or figure. How about this one? Alright. This one, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the last. Oh, no, not the last. Here, I see another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. One more shape to go. This shape. Yeah. The last shape or figure. Let me put this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this puzzle, we have 4 shapes or figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are more, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4. Maximum, there are 6. The question is why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. All right, so let's get started filling those numbers. We have a 1 here, so these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. Okay. And then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this triple box. For the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Okay. Well. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 2 because this box is connected with that box. If this is a 2, but is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Okay. Oh, wait. And now, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this S shape area for number 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2 and a 3, could be a 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yeah, it's a 4. Alright, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. This big box is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box will be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2. This box should be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. 2 boxes left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. That means we need a 1 in this quadra box. I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. And 1 box left in this quadra box should be the 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me, these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. 2 boxes left in this Z construction for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. 2 boxes left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers are 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Finish in 50 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars then. Yeah. Almost a 1 star. Almost a 1 star. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you well soon with the with the Saturday edition. Yes. Until then, bye bye for now.